Namaste. Hope all are enjoying Kriya Kundalini Awakening. 4 sets of video. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4 has been launched. More steps are to come. As and when message comes to us from Mahavatar Babaji, we will be uploading. The current step number 4 is for 21 days. Maybe before completion of that, we will get the message. We are concentrating on that. Once the message comes on the 22nd, we will upload the video, which may be on 3rd October 2020. Some people are asking us, you have not mentioned the date on which the step 5 will be uploaded. Please note that the receiving the message is not in our hands. It has to come from Mahavatar Babaji, and Babaji has to grace. Until we know when the message is likely to come, how can we commit? We can only commit of the present. The future depends on the divinity. One thing we certainly know, that after the 4th step, the 5th step also will be there, because Babaji did not inform that this ends the Kriya Kundalini Awakening. So long such words do not come from the divinity, we will have to assume that more steps will be coming. So let us be in present, let us follow the present step, which is 4. Likewise, when step 5 comes also, please do not ask us, where is the 6th step, when it will come, you are not informed the date. All such things cannot be answered. Please understand the reality. Now the present video is for all those who are practicing, all those who are involved in Kriya Kundalini Awakening, step 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, it is for Hindi-oriented listeners and viewers who are participating in Kriya Kundalini Jagran. There will be a separate video, Mataji will be speaking, but just as an information I am giving it. This is specifically for English and other language oriented listeners. Every day we are getting several calls asking us to include in the WhatsApp group. It will be difficult for us to include in the WhatsApp group as it is already full. In order to accommodate all of you, those who are practicing, those who are involved, those who are enjoying Kriya Kundalini Awakening, they can join this WhatsApp group. This WhatsApp group name is Babaji's KKA. That is Babaji's Kriya Kundalini Awakening. If you go to the link below the viewing panel, you can just press the link. By invitation, you can join the group. How to join this group? This doubt will come to you. Please don't send us any WhatsApp message or do not ask us in the YouTube itself. We will not be able to reply to you. Just go below this viewing panel. There will be a triangle mark. If you press that one, you will see a link before the first link, which talks about Babaji Sannidhan link, will be there. The second link, which is there in blue and green or turquoise color, that link if you press, you will be able to join. But for joining the group, there are certain specific rules which one must be totally aware of it, because we do not want any members to face unpleasant situation where the members have become members and they have been removed for not understanding the group rules and regulations. Because it is more than one person, certain rules and regulations are a must for to run the group, because a WhatsApp group admin is responsible legally for any action which may happen in the group. As a result of this, there will be no forward. There will be no forward in the group. Any message, any image, any video which comes with a tag of forward is totally banned. The members, those viewers who wanted to become members, they shall not share messages of other groups. They shall not share any videos of other institutions or other societies of similar in nature who are connected to Mahavatar Babaji in one or other forum. Other members are connected and they have a group. Let them continue as it is. We are in no way to do anything with that. So in order to avoid any clash of difference of opinion, we do not want to get shared any information from other similar groups. Members shall not share any Facebook links containing any article or any speeches. There shall be no good night, good morning or such wishing messages. Also, there will be no emojis or any symbols just for the tokenism to say that I am in the group. Group members are expected to be active, not in the form of sending some namaste, some good night, good morning. That will not constitute as an active member. That is the reason these emojis and symbols are not allowed in our group. We do not encourage speeches of other spiritual leaders. The members shall not copy and paste from information some messages from other books and journals. That is also not allowed. All members must be active and they shall exchange their personal experience in practicing Kriya Kundalini awakening. Other than that, their personal experience, when they meet somebody, when they get into some program, when they visit a place, what experience they gathered, those things of any nature they can exchange. Without any forward, they can also exchange any videos, any images of nature, any animals, any birds, any reptiles, any worms, any other species, butterfly, honeybees, any such natural and nature's gift like flowers, plants, etc., and their tendencies, if at all, if you notice anything, you can definitely share. If some small devotional songs, if somewhere you participate, some clippings you have taken of any rendering, then you can definitely share. The members who wanted to join on the basis of the invitation in this group through the link what we have explained must be, I repeat, must be conversant with WhatsApp operation. If you do not know how to operate WhatsApp, if you find it difficult, if you are going to tell later that I do not know how to operate, such of those members need not join. So other than these conditions, we do not have any other conditions. The main focus of this particular WhatsApp group, Babaji's Kriya Kundalini Awakening or Babaji's KKA, will be for those non-Hindi speaking members, but all other languages except Hindi. Because for Hindi, we have made a separate WhatsApp group, there they can join. That YouTube video also will be uploaded simultaneously. I expect all those members who wanted to join, who have called us, who have messaged us, who have shown keen interest to join WhatsApp group, can take this opportunity and quickly become members. There is limitation to number of members to be included in WhatsApp group. So if you are not able to become member because the membership is overfilled, then we will think of other methods. Till such time, thank you. All the very best. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.